What's up, guys? Welcome back to the shop. On this quick tech episode, we're going to be replacing the brake light switch in a 2011 Suburban. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Let's get to it. Alright, so underneath the dash, follow the brake pedal up, and you'll see a 10mm bolt. We need to loosen that bolt out, and that'll allow the brake light switch and master cylinder push rod to come right off the brake pedal. And then it's just a matter of unclipping the switch and replacing it with the new one. Alright, now that we got the bolt out, we just need to, it's going to be hard to see, but kind of bend this tab up just a little bit so that the whole clip can slide up. Take the clip off, and then now this whole assembly should slide right off, and there's your switch. So we'll go grab the other switch. Alright, put it together, just reverse the process. I just clipped the wire in. It's easier to get clipped in loose. And then wiggle it. Get it all the way slid over. Get a little retainer clip. And that will push on and down, and go ahead and reinstall a 10mm bolt. There we go, and that is swapped. Alright guys, it's going to be a wrap for the brake light switch. Pretty simple process, only took about 5 minutes to replace, and a 10mm ratchet wrench. Thanks for watching, we'll catch you on the next one.